Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
The next part of how you can create a machine learning API to check the prediction of the scores of the given dataset. So till here we have learned. Now we will move further. Once your model is ready, it is saved into your project. You can go back to your project and click on the assets tab. Here you will see the dataset assets, auto experiment which we have created, all notebooks associated with this, and this is your model. So we will click on this. When you will click on this, you will see the overview of the prepared model, implementation tab, and the evaluation test tab. So it's opening. This is the overview of the model, and this is evaluation tab. This will be right now empty because we didn't evaluate the model yet. And this is your deployment tab. Here when you will click on this, it will show you the detail of the everything. Like this is the model, and then implementation. Under implementation you will find the API which you can use for the machine learning as a machine learning API to deploy your model and predict the scores. This is the API. You need to copy it later on. We are gonna to use this later on. So now let's come back to our main part. So how you can create the API. For this, you need to create a new notebook under this project. So you will go back here on the notebook project, and then you need to click on again add to project. It's opening. We will click on add to project, choose a notebook, and add the information whatever name you want to give to the notebook. After creating this, your notebook will be created empty one. You need to prepare the code to using the machine learning API, and this I have already prepared for you because it's a time taking thing. So here we are importing the operating system, getting the file name under this zip folder and URL from here. After that, we are writing down Watson machine learning client. Import this one, and here you need to fill out the all information. This is your service credential. These all values you can get by go to the IBM Watson Studio, My Services, and choose the Cloud of Services. Under this is a tab Service Credential, and choose this service, this one. So you can copy and paste the API key, endpoints URL, instance ID from here and paste it here. Here you can fill the metadata information whatever required, and then this is also metadata information. Deploy the model and then test it. So this is the API which you can use and copy it from here, this one. In which language you are working, you can choose those language. After deploying it, when you will run it, it will give you the deployment or prediction score. So this is the way how you can create your machine learning API project to predict your scores in the IBM Watson Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video.